and she said that it was halal, and I told her it wasn't, bro. But that was dumb funny. Yo, bro, look. It's that SQ guy, bro. That's SQ? Yo, who does he think he is, bro? He not no Kanye West. Flexing. I don't know, man, but he got a couple thousand followers and don't know how to act. Thinking he famous. Yo, take out your phone. Record that. Expose him. Yo. Bro, expose him, bro. What? Oh my God.
What?
This is a Muslim person going inside a liquor store.
Yo, expose him. I get all Muslim.
Yo, bro, look at all of this,
tonight.
bro.
You're gonna get drunk tonight.
He has the nerve to go inside there with the kufi.
Somebody's getting lit tonight.
Unbelievable, bro. Look at him. He's choosing out with. He's choosing a liquor with the drink.
Look at him. Yo, he's actually doing it.
Yo, this guy's unbelievable. That's how you know he's a catfish on the Instagram.
Hello? Yo, you what? Oh, hi.
Here goes. Move back. Oh, bro, look at this dude, bro.
You see him?
Like, you don't even see a Muslim person go to a... I thought I was the only one, bro. Bro, I never seen a Muslim person go get alcohol, bro. Bro, just look at this dude, bro. Look at him. Look, with the liquor in his hand, bro. He has the nerve to hold a liquor bottle with the kufi on.
I'm exposing him. Might get him out. You gotta expose him. Act like a Muslim.
He about to go to.
Act like a Muslim. Who does that?
Who buys a beer, yo?
Look. Just look for yourself. Look at Way of Life shirt too. Look it up. Look at you see it, right?
Yeah,
it's not only me, right?
You going to the park?
Yeah, drinking by himself too. He's gonna have fun. He's not even sharing.
Bro.
Look at it. I want to see what he does with it. I want to see what he does with it. Come here. Oh my God.
You're gonna like start gulping that?
Oh my God. Yo, he's about to do it. We're about to show everybody.
He has a vodka bottle.
Oh my God. It's gonna get so tight. Hey, you thought nobody can see you? Thought nobody can see you?
Yo, what is he doing?
Oh my. Yeah, look, he's about to out the bottle too.
What's he doing?
What?
What's he doing?
Is he watering the what?
What is this guy doing?
What? Yo,
he's supposed to be drinking that.
He was following him for no reason.
He's supposed to be drinking it. Why is he wasting it?
What the hell? I was trying to expose him.
Yo, I thought I was gonna go viral myself exposing this Muslim guy that was famous.
Wow. Nah, let's go talk to him. I want to see what he's doing. Like, what the hell? Excuse me. What are you doing? He was following you for like...
You're supposed to drink the beer.
We've been following him this whole time. Weren't you gonna drink that?
You bought a liquor from...
Yes. I'm trying to expose you.
Let me explain what I was doing. Have a seat. Come on. So, you've been watching me this whole time. And what did you guys think?
We thought you was just a Muslim person trying to buy a liquor drink, and I'm pretty sure
We're trying to expose you because
you're a Muslim and Muslims do not drink liquor.
So let me get this straight, right? So instead of covering up for me, instead of like assuming the best of me, you were trying to expose me.
Pretty much.
Actually, can you tell us why?
We was wondering that, but we kind of wanted clout, you can say, like fame, since you're pretty famous on Instagram, on social media.
I bought this alcohol because I wanted one less drunk person in the street today. I wanted one less drunk person in their house today. I wanted one less domestic abuse caused by alcohol today. That's why I bought this alcohol. And I'm pouring it out because that's where it belongs. It's garbage. You gotta assume the best in people. You guys can't think negatively of people. If you see someone doing something crazy, before you jump to a conclusion, either investigate to find out why that person is doing it, or at least assume the best. Think that, yo, you know what? There must be some reason he's doing this. But you can't just think negatively of your brother like that, man. That's not cool. You get what I'm saying?
You're right.
And you know the crazy part is, you guys know me. You guys actually know me. So the fact that you know me, that should override everything else. You get me? You get what I'm saying? So instead of trying to expose me next time, assume the best in me. And actually come speak to me and be like, yo, SQ, what's that about, bro? Like, everything good? What's up? But try to investigate, try to find out. But most importantly, cover up and make excuses for your brother. Does that make sense?
Absolutely.
Alright? You want a shot of this?
No, I'm good.
You wanna help me pour this out?
Yeah,
Alright, let's go for it.
Pass it on.
There, one less drunk person in the streets. Alright?
Absolutely.
We out?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. Let's go.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا اجتنبوا كثيرا من الظن إن بعض الظن إثم ولا تجسسوا ولا يغتب بعضكم بعضا أيحب أحدكم أن يأكل لحم أخيه ميتا فكرهتموه واتقوا الله إن الله تواب رحيم.